Alright, 25 years I've lived here. Off and on. And I ain't never seen winter like this. We got a blizzard warning. Woo! Blizzard warning. No, this shit got real. All of a sudden, real quick. Crystal comes out, middle of the night. I can't breathe. The house is, the girls we're dying in there. I look outside and we got 6-8 foot drift up both the stacks for the diesel heaters, completely covered. Things are chooching back into the house. Alright, so you want to check a look? I just spent the last couple hours out there driving around in my Bobcat blind, trying to frickin' get the vents clear. So, you want to see this shit? Alright, let's go. Let's take a look.
There's idiots out there trying to drive. Don't put it.
People are driving.
I don't know how far they're going in their cars.
Alright, so we got like a big drift and blizzard and